बिना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स किए किसी भी एग्जाम की तैयारी है अधूरी, क्योंकि इन पेपर से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चन या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो अपनी एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100% करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें, ताकि वो भी कर सकें अपनी हर एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एमएड सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का पेपर 2 सोशियोलॉजिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन। ये पेपर हुआ है जुलाई 2024 में। बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अगर आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होती है तो इसे प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनहेरेंट इन द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ स्कूल? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, करिकुलम शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ सोशल वैल्यूज। Question number 2. Social Welfare Board was established. Answer is option B, 1953. Question number 3. National Service Scheme started in the colleges when? Answer is option number A, 1969. Question number 4. Education is the art of achieving happiness. Whose statement is this? Answer is option number B, DV. Question number 5. A blurry picture of modern society can be seen. Answer is option number C, both of the above. Question number 6. Minority community in India is one whose population? Answer is option number A, less than 50% in the state. Question number 7. By which constitutional amendment has education been kept in the concurrent list of the constitution? Answer is option number A, in the 42nd amendment. Question number 8. Education of union territories is administered by the central government. Article of the constitution? Answer is option number C, under 239. Question number 9. When was the Civil Defence Act made? Answer is option number B, in the year 1970. Question number 10. For national unity, national interest should be given importance instead of self-interest is the statement of which commission? Answer is option B, Kothari Commission. Question number 11. What type of process is socialization? Answer is option number D, psychosocial. Question number 12. According to Freud, it helps in socialization. Answer is option number D, both B and C. Question number 13. Who said society is superior to individual? Answer is option number C, Hegel. Question number 14. The word modern is derived from the Latin word which means? Answer is option number B, circulation. Question number 15. Which scholar has given the principle of self-reflection? Answer is option number B, Cooley. Question number 16. Which commission's statement says in a democracy a person is his own? And answer is option number C, Education Commission, 1964-66. Question number 17. Under which article of the Indian Constitution has the right to free and compulsory education for children up to the age of 16 to 14 years has been brought? Answer is option number D, Article 41A. Question number 18. Women are also human beings, therefore they also have the right to full development like men. Whose statement is this? Answer is option number D, Mrs. Hansa Mehta. Question number 19. Which is the most important factor of social mobility? Answer is option B, education. Question number 20. What type of means of community education is? Answer is option number D, formal. Question number 21. In which year was adult education given the name of school education? Answer is option B, in 1949. Question number 22. National Commission for Women was established. Answer is option B, in the year 1992. Question number 23. Who was the chairperson of the National Unity Committee? Answer is option number A, Indira Gandhi. Question number 24. The objective of democratic education is based on? Answer is option number D, development of social responsibility. Question number 25. Which psychological processes are included in the process of socialization? Answer is option number D, all three of the above. Question number 26. Which of the following was the main factor of caste discrimination in India before independence? Answer is option number A, religion. Question number 25. What is the meaning of the society? Answer is option number A, network of social relations. Question number 28. Concentration of scheduled caste remains 94.6. इसका exact answer we don't know, but most appropriate answer that we could reach was in Jharkhand. But still, there is still a confusion in this answer. So if you know the exact answer of this question, please do mention in comment section. Question number 29. Midday meal scheme was started in the school going children. Answer is option number A, 1995 से 96. Question number 30. Fall under the deprived class? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 21. Article 26(1) is helpful? Answer is option number A, to protect and transfer any particular culture. Question number 32. Who among the following supported religious education? Answer is option number D, Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 33. Who has to pay maher? Answer is option number C, husband to wife. Question number 34. Which of the following is the ultimate means of socialization as the fundamental unit of human society? Answer is option number A, family. Question number 35. Who is the proponent of linear theory of social change? Answer is option number A, Spencer. Question number 36. Community is organized life is the specialty of which type of family? Answer is option number B, joint family. Question number 37. Women Empowerment Year has been celebrated. Answer is option number C, in the year 2001. Question number 38. Democracy is a way of life and not a political system. Whose statement is this? Answer is option number C, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Question number 39. When was the law made to end untouchability in India? Answer is option number D, 1955. Question number 40. Etymological meaning of democracy is? Answer is option number B, public's power. Question number 41. Democracy is the governance of the people, by the people, and for the people. Whose statement is this? Answer is option B, Abraham Lincoln. Question number 42. Whose role is in the development of values? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 43. What type of discipline has Froebel supported? Answer is option B, theory of development. Question number 44. Which of the following concepts can describe the social heritage of the people? Answer is option number A, culture. Question number 45. Social mobility is the highest in which type of economy? Answer is option B, capitalist. Question number 46. Sorokin has given the categories of society in his book Social and Cultural Dynamics. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 47. Good willpower is required. Answer is option number C, in moral value. Question number 48. The most powerful aspect of child's socialization agencies. Answer is option number A, family. Question number 49. In contribution of the community in field of education is? Answer is option number D, all of these. Question number 50. Who decides the educational policy of the country? Answer is option number C, state. Question number 51. The main social classes of ancient times are? Answer is option number D, all these. Question number 52. Which objective is not important in the process of modernization? Answer is option number C, development of feeling of extreme nationalism. Question number 53. Educational sociology is the scientific study of analysis of social processes and social patterns inherent in our education system. Answer is option of B, Kuber. Question number 54. Who is considered the father of sociology? Answer is option number C, Auguste Comte. Question number 55. Who founded the National Society for the Study of Sociology? Answer is option B, George Paine. Question number 56. Educational sociology studies. Answer is option number C, of both education and society. Question number 57. Whose creation is the school and society? Answer is option number C, DV. Question number 58. Which of the following is the field of educational sociology? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 59. Which is the factor in the process of socialization? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 60. Who said socialization is the process by which the child acquires a cultural content? Answer is option number B, Bogardus. Question number 61. Which scholar has written the book named Social Change? Answer is option B, Ottaway. Question number 62. Who said that our schools should be living examples of democracy? Answer is option number A, John Dewey. Question number 63. Which of the elements is not an obstacle in the socialization of child? Answer is option number D, social activities. Question number 64. The bounded change is possible in the society. Answer is option number C, by education. Question number 65. Which of the following is a factor in social process? Answer is option number D, all of these. Question number 66. The present Indian social system is? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 67. Society is a web of social relations. Who said? Answer is option number C, McIver. Question number 68. Which of the following co-curricular activities is important in the socialization of the child? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 69. Which of the following is the form of social change? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 70. The change is a social structure in social change. The change in social structure is social change. Who said this? Answer is option number A, McIver and Page. Question number 71. A powerful tool for healthy social change. Answer is option number B, education. Question number 72. Social change does not come through education, but as a result of social change, it manifests itself in biological change. Who said this? Answer is option number D, DV. Question number 73. Which of the following is not about modernization? Answer is option number D, physical mobility. Question number 674. Sociality of education is? Answer is option number C, an analysis of the social process related to educational institutions. Question number 75. At present in rural India, there is greater influence in determining social stratification. Answer is option number C, land ownership. Question number 76. Which of the following is mainly determined by culture? Answer is option B, social stratification. Question number 77. Cultural capital is answer is option number D, a learner's economic, social, political and family background. Question number 78. There is secularism in our country. Again, this is a confusing question. If you know the exact answer, do mention it. The most appropriate answer we could come with is option number D, religious supporters. Question number 79. At present, which of the following is more influential in determining the sociology of education in our country? Answer is option number C, modernization. Question number 80. The main role of education as a social subsystem is answer is option number A, to transfer social values to successive generations. Question number 81. The role of education in relation to culture is answer is option number C, both conservation and upgrading. Question number 82. Educational sociology, that is answer is option number A, accepting education as a social institution. Question number 83. The subject included in the concurrent list is answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 84. Which article of the Constitution talks about equality of educational opportunity? Answer is option number A, 31. Question number 85. Articles of the Constitution that provide for education through mother tongue. Answer is option number B, in 350. Question number 86. A national adult education program was started in India. Answer is option number A, in 1978. Question number 87. The process of socialization is answer is option number B, or to be and to become. Of to be and to become. Question number 88. It is necessary to achieve the objectives of India as a modern people-oriented and socialist society. Answer is option number B, a social revolution. Question number 89. Education as a social subsystem. Answer is option number A, brings change in the society and modernizes it. Question number 90. Which is not a national value? Answer is option number C, communal belief. Question number 81. Which of the following is not the social objective of education? Answer is option number B, education for proficiency of individuals. Question number 92. Why is child labor still prevalent in the society? Answer is option B, socio-economic status. Question number 93. Which of the following is the most popular technique for estimating adjustment? Answer is option number C, sociometric technique. Question number 94. Who supported the goal of preparation for the complete life education? Answer is option number B, Herbert Spencer. Question number 95. With whose help is it possible for a person to adjust to the social changes easily? Answer is option number B, through skill and knowledge acquired in the classroom. Question number 96. Which of the following is helpful in the process of socialization? Answer is option number C, sports partner. Question number 97. Which of the following does not act as a barrier to social change? Answer is option number D, population explosion. Question number 98. What is the basis of the origin of concept of lifelong learning? Answer is option number D, dynamic development of the knowledge. Question number 96. Which of the following is not an institution of socialization? Answer is option number D, printed material. Question number 100. It is inherent in social science of education. Answer is option number C, relationship with society and its individual. तो ये था आपका सेकंड पेपर, सोशियोलॉजिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन. आई होप ये वीडियो आपके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए काफ़ी काम आए, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहे. मेक श्योर कि आप इसको सभी लोगों के साथ शेयर करें और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें. And subscribe my channel, keep supporting, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you guys.